been cloudy all day long today, and that's really impacted our temperature. We bottomed out at around 52 degrees, and temperatures right now just at 55 degrees as we're heading into the afternoon. It is cloudy. I do expect our high temperature today will be at about 65 degrees, and we are about where we thought we'd be with the temperature as well. In fact, we're a degree ahead of where we thought we'd be at this point. Winds are out of the northeast, 3 miles an hour. The barometer at 30/2800ths of an inch. The dew point at 47 degrees. Dew point has gone up a couple of degrees, about 15 degrees from just 24 hours ago. That means we have more moisture to work with and probably a little bit of a better chance for some rain over the next couple of days than what we saw yesterday with just a brief round of rain moving through. Temperatures in Butler, 54. It's still just 48 in Franklin. The Du Bois area, 50 degrees. It's cloudy with a temperature of 57 in Latrobe. Washington cloudy at 57, and Morgantown all the way up to 67 right now. So you can really start to see the differences where the boundary is, and we're starting to see some breaks in the cloud cover where temperatures are starting to warm up. I do think we'll get a couple of breaks in Pittsburgh in cloud cover over the course of the afternoon. We're going to go 65, your official high, and you'll notice the winds are basically out of the north at 4 to 8 miles an hour, just a little bit of a westerly tilt coming in from that. So it is going to be a busy couple of days. In fact, over the next 7 days, we have 7 chances for some rain for today and on Wednesday. We'll say rain shower and a storm chance. Basically, we're looking at an isolated to low scattered rain chance is all we're looking at. Strong storms are still expected during the afternoon on Thursday, and a rain chance now looks to continue into the race weekend also, so we're going to watch that closely. You can see our chances for rain. We'll only put our rain chance today at about 30%. 40% on Wednesday, and then we'll bump it all the way up to around 70% on Thursday. Rain chances still sticking around Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. The good news, though, if you are racing, heading to the Pittsburgh Marathon at least, most of that rain expected now Saturday afternoon, wrapping up very early on Sunday. But I can also tell you it's likely going to change the timing of what we're expected. Speaking of timing, we have some rain and even some weak thunderstorms in the center of Ohio, northern parts as well. This is heading our way, and it is expected to weaken as it tries to sneak in. There it is right there, but you'll notice that model data, at least this particular model, is underplaying what the coverage is there, and it really dies it out or just kind of kills it before it gets into Pennsylvania. I still think in places like Butler, you're going to likely see some rain move again at around 3 to 4 o'clock. Won't be very long. It'll be fairly brief, but you might hear also a rumble or two of thunder as that system rolls by. Temperatures in the overnight hours still staying relatively mild, and tomorrow I think we hit our first 80-degree day of the year before the rain showers start to slide in fairly late on Wednesday. As we're heading into Thursday, we have the rain chance continuing from Wednesday, get a break in the middle of the day, and then we have more in the way of rain chances coming in late in the afternoon and evening hours on Thursday. This is at 3 o'clock where we have some thunderstorms being around. Here's a look at your 7-day outlook. High temperature today, 65. We'll go 80 degrees for your expected high on Wednesday. Once again, that would be the first of the year. And we actually have 2 in a row expected, one on Thursday as well with those strong storms possible. 74 your Friday high, and over the race weekend, temperatures not too bad, at least highs, with lows right around 70 degrees.
Yeah, lots of rain, but like you said, not a washout. So that's
not a washout, and unfortunately with the pattern that we're going to have, expect to see some changes, especially over the course of the weekend, because we have a boundary. It's just going to sit right on top of us, and that generally means some rain chances are going to be there.
All right, thanks, Ron.
All right.